As a leading inner tube manufacturer with over 30 years of experience, KAMON is equipped with advanced production equipment and a strict quality control system to ensure stable inner tube performance and reliable quality. Leveraging this manufacturing strength, KAMON offers a variety of high-quality inner tubes for passenger cars. Today, we'll compare the popular sizes of 2025, 175, 185 R14, 185 R15, and 450, 500 R12 to explore their unique advantages and how they can help protect your car. The 175, 185 R14 inner tube is the most common passenger car tire size. Its advantages lie in its wide adaptability, making it suitable for a wide range of small and medium-sized cars. Its excellent grip provides stable performance and a comfortable driving experience for everyday travel. The 185 R15 inner tube is a high-performance PCR product with excellent breathability and heat resistance, providing peace of mind on long drives while also saving fuel and reducing energy consumption. Its excellent elasticity withstands the test of time and challenging road conditions, ensuring stable performance no matter the distance, keeping your car full of power. The 450 500 R12 inner tube is made of abrasion-resistant and puncture-resistant butyl rubber, effectively reducing the risk of blowouts while maintaining stable tire pressure, improving fuel efficiency, and extending tire life. Whether on highways or rugged mountain roads, it provides reliable support, making it an ideal choice for those seeking safety and durability. KAMON provides the best tire solutions for your car. Whether for everyday use or extreme road conditions, we are your trusted choice. Contact us to learn more about our specifications and customized services.